Guys, welcome back, and today I'm filming a video about something I've been meaning to film a video about for a long time, which are these two Minecraft character cars. I missed out on the entire set until a warehouse pretty far away from me got like another box in, and I just bought my two favorite castings, not my favorite mobs, but my favorite castings. And I kind of do want the spider and the skeleton, since this truck, the spider the back can fold down so the skeleton can ride it, because, you know, spider jockeys in the game. And the zombie is actually pretty cool. I don't want the creeper or the ocelot, they're just kind of off to the side for me. But I kind of just want these three here. But let's get on with the review. In case you don't know, the Iron Golem is a passive mob that will act hostile to those who threaten them and their village. At the front we can see the hood of the truck is the nose of the Iron Golem, and the windows have tampos on them representing the eyes. The right and left side of the truck have different deco to each other. The right side has vines while the left side is left mostly bare, just like the Iron Golem itself. The right side has vines and the other is bare. The back doesn't have too much in common with the Iron Golem itself. It just states Iron Golem on the back in the same style most 1940s to 50s trucks did with their brand and model's name. If you are to defeat the Iron Golem in the game, it will drop an iron bar or two, a couple iron bars actually, which you can see inside of the back of the truck, and on the bottom of the truck you can also see a poppy, which they also do drop. Forklift prongs on the front of the truck, I feel like they represent the attack that most Iron Golems use against other mobs. They sort of have a lifting, sort of throwing action they do, which I feel the prongs on the front represent. That's the Iron Golem here. Yes, the prongs here are movable. And all around actually pretty decent quality feeling casting. Actually, to be honest, the Iron Golem has to be one of my all-around favourite mobs. He's sort of like a peaceful, nice mob. But now we're going to look at the EnderMan. No, the EnderMan is a passive mob in Minecraft that will not hurt you unless you look into their eyes. I don't know, maybe they're shy or something, so when you look into their eyes they will try to kill you. But their slender appearance and long boxy shape is definitely portrayed in this casting. Starting at the front, we don't have too much in common with the EnderMan, but I did, after staring at this for a long time, the grill kind of below it looks like the EnderMan's open mouth, because like I said, when you look into their eyes they will attack you, but they will portray an animation of them opening their jaw really far, and I feel like below the grill, that little boxy part down there kind of looks like their jaw. The sides of the vehicle are exactly the same, but on the front wheel, well, you can see a purple particle dust which comes off of the mob at almost all times. Characteristic about the EnderMan is sometimes it will randomly just pick up a block, usually movable blocks like sand, dirt, and leaves and stuff, which they have portrayed in the back of this, which I find is pretty cool. It's got the dirt block back there with the trunk, which I feel like kind of like long and lanky, like the arms of the EnderMan. Last detail about the EnderMan is on the base it has an ender pearl, which is what the EnderMan drop when they are slain. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. I'll see you next time.